conditioner for hair growth, which is also anti-breakage, and it causes stress relief, and that's good for everybody. But what actually grew my hair was my wash day routine for hair growth, because my hair was just not growing. It was stagnant, and it actually grew within 2 months of me doing like this growth test. So I decided to share. And what happened was I wanted to leave in because, well, actually I didn't really want to leave in, but aloe vera was good at conditioning your hair, and it causes growth. So I was like, why not leave it in your hair? So yeah, so I started leaving this in my hair, and I could tell from just using it for 2 days, like if I would move my hair, it would stimulate hair growth and it causes strength. So the first ingredient is aloe vera juice, and aloe vera juice is everything that people say it is. It is the top natural hair product, or natural hair DIY ingredient. If you're not using this, you're missing out. I'm serious. But anyway, so it took me years to really understand how great it was for my hair, because I was using it in the beginning, but you just use it because other people say it. But yeah, so some other benefits of aloe vera are its conditioning properties. It literally conditions your hair. It conditions. Put it in your hand, you'll feel how smooth it is. Another thing about it is hair growth. This will grow your hair. You can feel it stimulating your blood circulation flow, stimulating your hair. It makes your hair darker. It makes your hair thicker. It makes your hair shiny. Another thing about it is it's anti-breakage. It keeps it from breaking off because it causes your hair to be so strong, causes your scalp to be strong. There's so many benefits. I mean, it takes away dandruff, itchy scalp. It heals your scalp. So the thing about aloe vera is that I would recommend that you buy the plants. Now, this is the old bottle that I used to when I used to buy the brand from the store. This is old, and I just store my aloe vera that I make at home and add water to it to make aloe vera juice, and also make the gel without adding water. So yeah, because you don't want it to have preservatives in it, first of all, and second of all, you don't want it to be diluted by water. So basically, you want it to have the most nutrients that it can have. Another thing about it is you don't want to put too much of the aloe vera in your mixture, because it's really so strong that it'll cause you to be lightheaded or make you feel like you're gonna pass out. It's seriously that strong. You don't need a lot. Then you can just add the rest of the ingredients on. So the way aloe vera works for different hair types is the oilier hair types, it tends to absorb the oils in their hair, because aloe vera has this absorbing property. What it does is it absorbs the moisture and it seals the moisture into your hair. Okay, so that's good for oilier hair types. But for dry hair types, when you put in your hair, it'll cause all the conditioning shine to it, but you may feel like it's drying it out. Now, what you have to do is just add oil onto it, a simple oil, and it'll bring out that moisturized look more, but it still have the moisturizing property. Next is chamomile tea. Now, chamomile tea is good because it's a herbal, it's herbal basically, and herbal things are really good for your hair. Herbal keeps your hair from breaking. It keeps it stronger. It keeps it soft. So the one thing that stood out to me about chamomile tea is the fact that it gives you this soothing, calming factor to your hair. And soothing is good for your hair growth, because soothing things creates this de-stress within the chemical balance of your hair. The cells of your hair can relax and they can grow easier and better. So yeah, that's one thing that stood out, is the soothing property. The other thing that stands out to me is the fact that chamomile makes your hair strong and soft at the same time. So that's really good for anti-breakage as well. It also, the reason why I use chamomile tea, or tea anyway, in my hair is because I needed to balance out the oil in my hair and my scalp. So it keeps your hair from producing too much oil, or just balancing it, not overproducing it, producing oil. Another thing about it is it helps with frizzy hair, and chamomile tea is good for, like, if your hair has like an older to it, it helps to control that. So yeah, I would recommend putting chamomile tea in your leave in. Next, my secret ingredient is cinnamon. Yeah, I use the cinnamon water. I don't use the particles. But some things that stand out to me about cinnamon is the fact that it stimulates hair growth. It stimulates your hair. And I think one of the reasons is because it's first, it's a spice, so it's strong. Second, another reason is because it soothes you. It makes you feel happy. Like that's the second thing. It's anti-stress. When I put this on my scalp, before I had the chamomile and the aloe vera only. So the chamomile made it soothing, it made me feel good. But when I added this cinnamon in there, it was like extra, like I drunk some sort of energy drink or something like that. But it also has like this therapeutic property to it. It makes you feel awake. It energizes you. I mean, I'm serious. Like I put it on my scalp at night one time, and I was so tired and sleepy. I put it on my head. I was just like, I couldn't go to sleep. So yeah, it took me a while to go to sleep. Another thing about this is it balances like odors in your scalp, and it also keeps it from being oily, along with growth, because chamomile, I forgot to say, causes hair growth, but I already put that in the description before that. So how I prepare the cinnamon is I boil it in water, and I add, you can add as much as you want. You don't have to worry about adding too much cinnamon, or unless you just make it only cinnamon. And then I boil it for like 2 minutes, and I strain it in a strainer, and I add the water to my mixture. So you can add equal parts with your herbal teas or your tea or whatever you want to liquid base you want to put in there, but just don't add the equal parts aloe vera. Okay, so the way that I put this mixture in my hair is during wash days, which is like, I wash my hair twice a week because it gets so oily, and I don't use a chemical shampoo. I use like my homemade D.I.Y black tea shampoo, black soap and tea shampoo. So yeah, every wash day, I put this spray bottle in my hair. It's my little puppy over here. But yeah, I put it in my spray bottle, and I put it on my scalp and my ends. But I also like to spray some in my hand every day, and what I do is I just put it on my scalp and rub it on my scalp. Oh, it makes me happy. And it stimulates hair growth throughout the whole day. If I move my hair, I can just literally feel it grow in my hair, or it feels really strong. But I've been thinking about actually trying to put this on my hair every day, because it's that good and it's that serious. But since it's liquid, I won't have a problem with buildup. But yeah, this is my D.I.Y leave-in conditioner, and I hope that it works